welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to create codes. But before we do that, there is one thing you need to do, which is first of all to understand your text. Now, most times when you want to code, you don't just import your document and just put it in the system and just start running your analysis. No, you first of all need to read your document, understand the text thoroughly before you can start coding. It just helps you to get a good grasp of the content of that particular document. Now, I particularly like doing this because while I'm reading my document, I start, generating some codes in my head, which makes my work easier when I get into the software. So it's very important for you as a data analyst or just trying to analyze your data using nvivo to first of all understand the text that you're using. It could be a transcript where you have questions and answers or whichever format it comes in, but it's important for you to always read it. You need to thoroughly read it. If you're working in a team, it's advisable for all of you members of your team to sit down, look at the document together, try and understand it before you start coding. Now, to code, in our next video, we are going to start generating the codes for our document. Remember the documents we used in our previous video, the link, ensure you download them so that you can follow while we are practicing in class. Thank you.